Hey, how's it going, everybody? It has been almost a month since I've uploaded a video, at least it feels like it, so I figure I owe you guys some kind of update. So, car update, life update, work, and all the whole weight loss thing, that's been going pretty good as well. First thing is the new resonator on the Camaro. Since that law, I actually went over to Lethal Camaro's house. He was kind enough to let me use his decibel reader. And this car clocked in at 110 decibels. So with that whole law, I'm not trying to cause any trouble right now. I cannot, even if it's not a $1,000 ticket, I heard it's anywhere between $400 and $800. I'm not trying to get pulled over for a straight pipe exhaust. It sounded pretty glorious, but it honestly is not too bad at being a little bit quieter. It's better than when it was a muffler delete and the catalytic converter. It sounds a little bit better than that, so I'm pretty happy. So right now the setup is just that. Okay. So the setup right now is just the ZZP catless downpipe and then a big resonator in the middle before the two pipes split off. That way you only have to pay for one muffler. Also, since the engine was rebuilt in just this short 20,000 miles, the spark plugs were burnt to a crisp, which might be some of that horsepower loss I've been feeling. Does your girlfriend change your spark plugs for you? Hey, honey. Is it working?
Believes.
Oh, here. Where's the old ones? Let me film that real quick. There we go. Brand new spark plug. Just throw the whole thing away. That's nasty. Which makes me want to do a redo on a Mustang GT because that was only about 1,000 miles ago and they were burnt to a crisp. And I felt, even that day, that it was a little bit slow. So I'd like a redo. I will find somebody somewhere and we will do it in a legal fashion, of course, as always. And I think this car is maybe a little bit quicker than a Mustang GT. Not trying to get into this whole discussion right now, but oh, it feels so much better. Even with the resonator cutting a little bit of power, just doing the spark plugs alone, I should have checked it sooner. So every 20,000 miles on your guys' cars, definitely check those spark plugs. They were atrocious on mine. Also, I got this car HydroTune, which is a company that specializes in cleaning carbon out of catalytic converters and your engine. I'll show you guys how that works in a later video, and I actually might be getting involved with that business, so that's kind of, what I've been up to as well. So the car's been running really great with all of that, and then moving on to maybe a little bit of a fitness update, I haven't lost a ton of weight yet. I am down 7 pounds, started at 193 in the morning, now I'm 186 in the morning. Taking it really, really slow. I've done the whole 2 pound a week thing multiple times. I lose a lot of my strength on the main barbell lift. So I've been keeping all of my strength. Still easily squatting 280 to 295 for a good single. And pull-ups are better than ever. I switched from chin-ups to pull-ups, and I can do weighted pretty well.
Here. I think that's over when I can't go the street. Like, short of being super sick.
Other than that, let's just start the car up. You guys could hear that. I'll do a rev clip maybe in a different video, but we'll get a start up. So I still wouldn't consider this exhaust quiet, but it's more of a resonant bass than the high end now, and it definitely has lowered some decibels. Alright guys, so I'm in the Camaro and I'm getting a resonator on the car. I'm in the exhaust shop, but I don't know if you can tell where I am right now. But I'm about 8 feet off the ground in the lift, just turning the car on and off. We're just testing for leaks. I have never
I've never been so high in my Camaro, if you know what I mean.
What? Yeah? It's quiet. Yeah. It's good. Yeah, one more? Yeah. Oh my god. That's fantastic. I got it. Oh my god, man. He really wants that doll. I hear it ripping.
When you ruin a dog.
Oh my gosh.
One arm rope.
Gosh.
Paralyzed.
Thanks for watching this little update, and I'll be talking to all of you guys next video. See ya.